Okay, so what kind of situation do we have at the moment on silver? We have a market that from a weekly perspective has approached a very important structure level. It was very important structure support here, broke to the downside, became strong resistance, broke back up, became strong support, broke back down, became strong resistance, and the market is currently approaching again this very important level. Now, from a pattern perspective, the pattern is a very nice W formation. So the market is approaching and has approached and hit a very important structural resistance from a weekly perspective with a W formation, which is a lot of confirmations to expect a rejection of this zone. Now, as we can see, the market has already started to reject the area. From a daily perspective, the market has already rejected once, and then after a first move to the downside, obviously the market is starting again to try to go and grab some more liquidity. Why? Because first of all, from a 4-hour perspective, the environment of the market never shifted to the downside, so everything is still bullish. And also because after the first move to the downside, many people will have shorted and their stop losses are above this area here. So we can definitely expect that market makers will want to go and hunt these stop losses before the move to the downside can actually start and basically create a nice distribution zone inside of here with a nice deceleration, and then the real move to the downside can actually start. So how we will be approaching this kind of situation with students? As usual, this is a great area to be monitoring price action, but you have to be reactive. You can't be predictive, and you need to have a clear set of rules that you're following when you're monitoring the market. So with students, we will be monitoring price action all this week inside of this area, waiting for the market to shift from a bullish market to a bearish market from a 4-hour perspective, and then we will be waiting for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries. As soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, and if the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, then we will be taking a nice short with a very good risk to reward and very good probabilities for a nice move to the downside. We only need to see how high this manipulation will last before the market actually manages to break to the downside. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, and you will be monitoring price action inside of this area as well with the rules of your own strategy, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.